Hey everyone! A compelling landing page can make or break your marketing efforts. So today I'll walk you through creating a stunning landing page in Webflow. Let's get started. Open Webflow and create a new project. Choose a blank canvas or a template if you prefer. In the designer, start by adding a section for your hero area. Inside the hero section, add a container to keep your content centered. Add a headline using a heading element. Make it catchy. Include a subheading or a brief description using a paragraph element. Alright, so let's add a call to action button. Drag a button element onto the canvas and customize the text. Consider adding an eye-catching image or illustration. Use the image element, or you can set a background image for the section. Next, add more sections to highlight features, testimonials, or any other relevant information. You can use grid or flexbox layouts to organize your content efficiently. Style your landing page using consistent typography, colors, and spacing. Ensure your page is responsive by checking it on different device views. Alright, set up any forms or integration you need, like email signups, and then preview your page and make any final tweaks. When that is done, you can publish your site and you're all set. And that's how you create a compelling landing page in Webflow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Catch you later.